Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 14th November 2025. The Karnataka government has approved a new menstrual leave policy granting 1 day of paid leave per month to women employees in registered establishments. After expert committee review and multiple consultations, the policy received cabinet approval. The initiative is hailed as a historic step towards women's health, welfare and empowerment, earning widespread appreciation. Global banks are increasingly choosing India's gift city for dollar-denominated debt, diverting business from established Asian financial centers. Attractive tax incentives, particularly the absence of withholding tax, enable cheaper financing. This growing hub is poised to capture a larger share of Indian corporate offshore borrowing, signaling a significant shift in regional finance. Banks in Gujarat International Finance Tec-City disbursed nearly $20 billion in dollar loans to Indian corporates in the fiscal year ended March, more than a third of the total issued for local companies globally. That's up from 2 years ago when banks at the hub disbursed only 16%, according to data from IFSCA, the hub's regulator. In a strategic financial move, Jio Leasing Services, a subsidiary of Jio Financial Services, has injected Rs 45 crore into Reliance International Leasing IFSC via a rights issue. This brings Jio Leasing's cumulative investment in this venture to an impressive Rs 166.55 crore, aimed at bolstering the operational framework of Reliance International Leasing IFSC. Hero Future Energies will develop 4 gigawatt of renewable energy projects in Andhra Pradesh. This initiative involves an investment of Rs 30,000 crore. The projects will be established in Anantapuramu, Kurnool and Kadapa districts. Over 15,000 jobs will be created. This pact reinforces Andhra Pradesh's standing as a renewable energy hub. The agreement is valid for 12 months. Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai and Tata Motors are significantly boosting production by 20 to 40% to meet surging demand post GST cuts. Retail sales hit a record high in October with strong festive demand and lower taxes depleting dealership stocks. Car makers anticipate this revival to sustain into next year with industry growth forecasts revised upwards. India is planning to enable direct satellite connectivity for mobile phones, potentially bringing internet to remote areas. The Department of Telecommunications will seek recommendations from TRAI on a framework for these direct-to-device services, including pricing. This move aims to make phone connectivity as seamless as 4G or 5G, though telcos have raised concerns about business impact. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.